मशाइख आ चुके हैं. So today we have decided to discuss on the topic quality of a good teacher. In our daily life, we usually face our teachers, and this is lifelong process that we saw the teacher. There are many kinds of teacher. Some of them we like them and we want to be like them, and some of them we think that he should change, and this kind of changes should be implement in his personality. So today we will discuss on this topic, and everybody will express whatever he thought about a good teacher, and if any of us become a teacher, how he would like to be a teacher in future. So these all kinds of things we will discuss in this class. Quality of a good teacher, and we will also ask cross questions to each other, so that the topic should clear more than that. It's okay. So today we are going to
Okay.
start our topic from Naushad ibn Zubair. Yes, Naushad, open the camera and start the topic.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lovely guys, you know
Alhamdulillah.
that is very important, and it is what is the quality of best teacher. So first of all, we want to know who is the teacher and who is to be able to called teacher. So teacher
Who is
is a
तू मत लगाइए
person
पहले वाले में. Who is able to be called?
who is able to be called a teacher. So the teacher is a person who can attend the class and who can care the student, and he make understand them how to understand the lesson and what is the solution of if in the case of we are not able to understand the chapter or the lesson. So after that we want to know what is the concept of teacher. So concept of a teacher among us that he is a person, and he is a man who can join the class and who attend the class by preparation of the chapter. About that he has to make understand, and he have to take class. Therefore we want to know what is the quality of best teacher. So there are a lot of things that we have to know about a teacher, but first of them is a teacher who is called is a best teacher is a person who can cooperate with the student, because cooperating with the student is a very important things. In case of we don't follow these things, then we can't be able to say or called a good teacher or best teacher. And after that second thing is a person who can maintain the class with peacefully and calmity, because
with
if
peacefully या with peace बस fully ना लगाए या with ना
okay
लगाए.
okay with peace,
Hmm.
because we know in the class where the teacher who didn't maintain the calmity and peace in the class, they
Camility
is not
मतलब
क्या
क्या camility बोल रहे हैं आप? Did not
या
maintain the
calmity,
spelling बता दीजिए और meaning बता दीजिए.
CAL
CAL
MI
MI.
ये काल्म जो होता है उसी से काल्मिलिटी.
अच्छा काल मतलब हाँ वो वाला. अच्छा उससे बनता है ये. मुझे ये वर्ड में लेना है. काल तो पता है. ठीक है चलिए. क्या मीनिंग या इसका क्या मीनिंग निकलेगा?
ये
सहना,
सुकून.
सुकूत, बर्दाश्त
यस
करना. चलिए
Because
Continue.
in case of we can't maintain the corporate and the attention of the student in the class, then we will not be able to said or to call a good teacher. And the third thing is to
आवाज ब्रेक हो गई थोड़ी सी आपकी शायद, नौशाद आवाज आ नहीं रही। नौशाद आवाज
we
नहीं आ रही है।
will
नौशाद आवाज नहीं आ रही है। आप लोग आवाज आ रही है नौशाद की?
नहीं सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही।
नहीं सर, नहीं आ रही है।
नौशाद, वी आर नॉट एबल टू हियर यू, प्लीज।
yes sir.
Your voice was disconnected and we were not able to listen you. Now now you are audible. Speak now. I think there is an issue, network issue, I think. Naushad, can you hear us? Hello, Naushad. Naushad, we are not able to hear you. So, so I think we should listen to others. After that, we will give the chance to Naushad, and he will continue. Now he is disconnected right now. Shafiq has requested that he has some urgent work, so he has to go to home. So now we will listen to Shafiq so that he can go to home at the right time, because it's necessary for him to go to his home at right time. Yes, Shafiq Ahmed, start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My topic: qualities of a good teacher. Dear friends, knowledge is a spiritual act. Allah Almighty has installed Adam alayhi salam the name of everything. My dear friends, teaching is a holy work because every messenger of Allah have done this work. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent also as a teacher. Teaching are not little and minor person, so they should not get themselves, and the people have to respect the teachers because the teacher are monitor of the new generation. Dear friends, the student impressed with character and personality of the teacher. So teacher have to forbear and they forbear. And they should calculate themselves during to teach from their students. My dear friends, below are the qualities that a successful and ideal teacher must have. Number 1, sincerity.
Sincerity.
A good teacher, sincerity. A good teacher is sincere with his matter, and the sincerity is the process that increase interest in the process. Second, piety, taqwa. There is a deep connection between the knowledge and piety, so the knowledge has been hub of the piety.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Third, rahmdili, kindness. It is a necessary for a good and successful teacher that he is adorned with patience, pardon, and carefully, because the student does not like
that he is ordained. क्या बोला आपने word? It is necessary for teacher that ordained मतलब?
That is मुज़य्यन हो.
अच्छा,
जी,
क्या स्पेलिंग क्या है?
ADORNED।
अच्छा, ADORNED। चलिए ठीक है, आगे करिए।
Because the student does not like the heartless teacher, as Allah Almighty said to His messenger, "وَلَوْ كُنْتَ فَظًّا غَلِيظَ الْقَلْبِ لَانفَضُّوا مِنْ حَوْلِكَ." Number 4, patience, तहम्मुल और बर्दाश्त. The importance
पेशेंस।
of patience.
हाँ, टी लिखा जाता है लेकिन पढ़ा जाता है शाह। पेशेंस।
Thank you, sir. The importance of patience began to grow in the education field.
वेरी
Similarly, pardon and extended and friendly relationship are necessary for the teacher. The
गुड,
teacher have to know very well which subject he teaches the students and come into the class after reading that lesson. That enough,
वेरी।
sir.
That's enough. Anybody want to ask any question to him? सवालों के घेरे में कोई घेरना चाहेगा? You said that a teacher, teaching is a very spiritual or holy profession, as you said, because the all messengers do this job. It's okay, but
Yes.
the thing
Yeah.
whatever the messengers has done are holy, as they were also, some of them were businessmen, some of them were tailor, some of them were carpenter. All the thing which is done in past with the hand of the messengers, holy messengers, respected messengers, are all these things counted as the spiritual or the holy work? This is my question to Shafiq.
As
सवाल समझे शफीक?
as as sir,
Yes, answer.
if we are doing this this these these all thing as a सुन्नत के तौर पर सर, एज अ सुन्ना
uh, and as an ideal
of the
of the yes, ठीक है.
as an ideal of the messenger,
Hmm.
then मुझे लगता है
I
सर,
think that I think that
I it is a this thing the holy work.
these things are holy works. Anybody else want to ask any question to him?
The teacher who study before study any books, who
Yes, very good.
are you study in the
Oh,
study any books every day?
do you study any book every day? This is his question. Teacher should study. Do you study every day any book? He is asking you. Am I right, Saleh?
Yes.
Yes, Shafiq.
Yes sir, the teacher who is teaching the student, then he have to reading after teaching the student
He have to read.
that subject. He have to
Okay.
read after teaching that is their student that subject which he teach.
Which he teach before he teach, na?
Before he teach.
You said after, I think. Anybody else want to ask any question? अच्छा, वैसे आप पढ़ते हैं कि नहीं, ये सवाल था असल शायद.
When I will teach,
Yes,
inshallah I
Saleh.
will read
When
after
he will
teaching.
be a teacher and he will teach, he will read, inshallah. Now he is not reading. Now he is busy in writing the shairi. After he will become a teacher, he will read, inshallah. It's okay. Now we will. Naushad, are you able to hear
Mr.
us?
Sadiq is our teacher this time.
I am a student right now.
Mr.
Our
Safiq
teacher,
completed the graduation in the Jamia Islamia Sanabil.
But completing the graduation does not mean that he is teacher. When he will teach, like
yes, sir.
Wasim is
Yes,
teaching student, then he will he will read books.
but
Shafiq,
Afi Saleh, brother, my
yes.
brother Saleh teach us every Monday.
So you are a teacher.
Yes,
He is not a
You
teacher.
are. Yeah.
It's okay. Naushad, are you able to hear us? Naushad?
His mic is closed.
I think he's not also able to hear us. There is a network
He's
issue
gone.
in his side. It's okay. Shafiq, it was nice talk and you have prepared it and you pointed out many points that should be implemented in the teaching life, and that's good discussion you have discussed. Now it's turn we will listen to Wasim Ahmed. Are you ready, Wasim?
Yeah, I'm ready, sir.
Yes, start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is quality of a good teacher. In my life, I saw different kinds of teachers, but my teachers were best. After after the good quality teachers make the class interesting and understanding, and spend time for studying, and a good teacher is kind to student. Kind Rahim.
ठीक है.
During the study, he teach his students regarding every subject clearly. And ask him questions, and a good teacher work hard for student to make civilized. A good teacher should responsible for his students, and teachers are the mind maker. A good teacher must have good teaching skills. Students will be more attracted to the lesson if they play book games who relate the book, and talk him joyfully. A good teacher has many skills. One of them is understand students' mood.
Very good.
That's enough.
That's not enough, yaar. It's not enough. It's okay. No problem. Anybody want to ask any question to him? अभी हम बुलवाते हैं आपसे. Yes. Anybody want to ask any question to Wasim? Nobody is going to ask. Yes, Tabish is going to ask. Yes, Tabish, ask.
No, sir.
No. So my question is a simple question to you, Wasim, that
Yeah.
in your Jamia Islamia Sanabil, which teacher you like most and why? Who is your favorite teacher and why?
My favorite teacher is Sheikh Abdul Bar Sahab Madani.
Why?
He's a best teacher, and teaching method is best.
His teaching method
And
is best.
his teaching method is very best. And
Hmm.
we were understand his teaching.
वर मत लगाइए. We understand his lessons.
His
Yeah,
his lessons.
it's okay.
And he's a very mercy. He's a very kind man.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
And
Hard working also.
yeah, hardworking also.
Okay.
It's okay. Very good.
And
Anybody? It's okay. Very good. Anybody else want to ask any question to Wasim? It's okay. So after Wasim, it was nice talk, but you can do better than this, and you should talk at least 5 or 6 minutes, because this was a
yeah,
very simple topic, and you can do that. I think that you have not spent your time as you can spend on this topic. It's okay, no issue. Next time,
I will try.
we
I will
hope,
try next time, inshallah.
inshallah, next time we hope that you will do better than today. Yes,
Inshallah.
now we will listen to Abdullah Ataullah. Yes, Abdullah Ataullah, it's your turn. You have to speak right now. After that, we will go to Tavish. Yes, Abdullah Ataullah. Open the camera.
Okay, sir.
Yes, start.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين وبعد. Today is my topic, qualities of a good teacher. We are students. There is some person teaching in a school and or madrasa. I am not a teacher, but I like this job. If I offered from any madrasa for teaching, I
If
hope
I am
join
offered,
it.
if I am
जो
offered,
काटा ना
मुझे
करना.
अगर पेश किया गया,
If yes,
हेल्पिंग वर्ब
sir.
भी रहेगा.
If I am offered from yes, sir. If I am offered from any madrasa for teaching, I hope join it, inshallah.
Hmm.
Because this is a good job.
Hmm.
My father, this is such as a king. My father always share with us, my friends, my brothers and my sisters, a little story for Bahadur Shah Zafar.
Of
When
Bahadur Shah
the
Zafar.
British government arrested him
Arrested him.
for of
Bahadur Shah Zafar की ना of
when the British government arrested him.
माजी की बात है ना, तो सेकंड फॉर्म लाएंगे ना.
Hello, I can't answer.
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या मेरी? आप लोग आ रही है आवाज?
Hello.
आप लोग को आवाज आ रही है
Yes, sir.
मेरी? वसीम और वाले बताइए.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस सर आवाज आ रही है।
आ रही है सर.
आपको अब्दुल्ला ताला आपको हाँ अब आ रही है, आपको शायद बीच में नहीं आ रही थी. मैंने दो चीज आपको बताई. स्टोरी ऑफ बहादुर शाह जफर, बहादुर शाह जफर की कहानी.
हाँ सर मुझे भी आ रही है. हाँ सर जी जी.
इनके पास थोड़ा धीरे आवाज जा रही है.
Story of Bahadur Shah Zafar. When the British government arrested him and sent him a jail, the police asked
कंटिन्यू. आवाज आपकी कट गई अब्दुल्ला अताउल्ला.
आज प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
यहाँ सऊदी में प्रॉब्लम होती है क्या? तो जब हमें तो लगता है सऊदी में नेटवर्क बड़ा अच्छा रहता है, फिर तो हमारा इंडिया ही अच्छा है। दिल्ली में बैठे।
जी सर।
Abdullah Taullah, can you hear us? We are unable to hear you. Abdullah Ataullah. He disconnected now. क्या किया है मोहम्मद बिन सलमान ने, नेटवर्क तक नहीं दे पाए। मजाक। खैर, तो क्या करें फिर, इंतजार करें, नेक्स्ट चलते हैं, चलिए फिर आएंगे तो इसको कंटिन्यू कर लेंगे इंशाल्लाह। नाउ ताबिश, ओपन द कैमरा एंड स्टार्ट योर डिस्कशन। यस, ओपन द कैमरा यार। ओपन मींस देयर शुड बी योर फेस।
अभी इनको
2 मिनट सर।
इट्स ओके।
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic is qualities of a good teacher. According to me, every teacher is good. Some are strict, but some not. Students love unstrict teacher. Some qualities of a good teacher are he is perfect in his subject.
थोड़ा सा स्पीड स्लो रखो ताबिश, थोड़ा जल्दबाजी नहीं, कोई हम लोग आराम से बैठे हुए कहीं नहीं जा रहे।
If any student have any problem understanding the subject, that teacher try to solve his
Any problem in understanding, ठीक है?
Any problem in understanding subjects
हाँ,
or books, so teacher try to solve his problems in a very simple way. He is very punctual to reach school or
he
in
should
class.
कर दीजिए, उसको होना चाहिए। He should very sincere, जो भी आपने कहना। ठीक है।
He should very punctual to reach school or in class on the time. He tried to keep his subject knowledge. He tried to keep his subject knowledge up to date. He also gained knowledge in other subjects. And those teachers live with children like a child. These are all characteristics of good teachers. That's it.
अच्छा, मुझे आपका नेटवर्क चला गया। चलिए खैर से, बहुत शॉर्ट था भाई। पिछली बार आपने वादा किया था कि अगली बार रहेगा, बहुत शॉर्ट था। या हो सकता है आप जल्दी जल्दी बोल देते हो इसलिए आपका शॉर्ट लगता हो। तुम ना थोड़ा सा एहसास कमजोरी का शिकार हो ताबिश, थोड़ा सा इतना ही हो पाया, नहीं हो पाया, थोड़ा सा कोशिश करते तो हो जाता। बट गुड प्रिपरेशन एंड आपने शुड नहीं ऐड किया। ही इज ऐसा लग रहा था किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। ही शुड करें तो ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगा कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, तो ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगा। और सही था, विदाउट एनी स्टॉपेज आपने जल्दी जल्दी अच्छे खासे बना दिया और सही तैयारी की है। कोई सवाल कोई करना चाहेगा इनसे? Anybody want to ask any question?
लिख रहे?
Nobody wants to ask any question. So my question to you is, Tabish, there are two kinds of teachers.
Yes.
One of them is expert in the subject which he teaches, and another is not so much expert, but he is expert in arrangement of the classes. He is expert in making the class so entertaining and so it's interesting. Which of them you would like more? Did you get my question, Arish?
I like teachers who is funny.
Who is funny?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's who is funny. It's okay. Why? The another one is expert in the subject which he teaches.
Yes, sir. But I like more who is
Yes.
funny.
So why? Can you give any reason for that?
Sir, I like comedy.
You like comedy.
I have a question.
So are you
Yes.
in
Yes.
class to see the comedy night with Kapil, or you are there to gain the
No.
knowledge? It's okay. It's your choice. You can do whatever you want.
I
It's
have
okay.
a question from Tabis, brother.
Yes, ask the question.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
Shafiq.
My question, Tabis, brother, that which teacher is the funny in the
Who, yes, very good question. Who is the funniest teacher
Sir
in the
Naved Sir Naved was funny, but he's not in Sanabil. He left Sanabil.
It's
I
okay.
don't
Did you
why.
get the answer, Shafiq?
Yes.
Naved sir was so funny, but unfortunately, he is not in Sanabil now. He's no more in Sanabil.
It is not available. More in.
In Sanabil. It's okay. Very good. Yes, Abdullah Taula, continue your speech. You are disconnected because of the network issue. Yes, continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. I say to you, my father always share with us, my brothers and sisters, a little story of Bahadur Shah Zafar. When the British government arrested him and sent him a jail, the police asked
Send him to the jail. To be
send
right.
him to the jail. The police asked to him what to do here.
Ask him. यहाँ to मत लगाइए.
The police asked him, oh, okay, what to do here? He replied, I will teach you boys and eat a gram. The police said, still you want to be a king. Still you want to be a king. So
Yes.
if you are a teacher, you are a king, just as you are a king. There is a very
Yes,
important question. What are the qualities of a good teacher? Every teacher
good.
wants to be good. But what are the qualities that make a good teacher exactly? Exactly. There are
Mic off कर
many
दीजिए, बाकी लोग.
qualities. There are many qualities necessary for a good teacher. Some of these we know
Some
in
of
this
them.
class
Some of them.
from Ibn Zubair. Some of them.
आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा आपकी. मेरे ख्याल से कैमरा बंद कर दीजिए तो थोड़ा सा आवाज क्लियर आएगी. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही अब्दुल्ला ताउल्ला. नेटवर्क इशू है. कैमरा बंद करिए, मेरे ख्याल है तब आवाज सही आएगी.
Okay, sir. Sorry. Sir, before I say to you my points, I want to clear a point that is, we are Islamic students and we completed our education in a madrasa. So I will talk about those qualities are necessary for a Muslim teacher, for a teacher of madrasa. My first point is renew the intention. Renew the intention. Because teaching is also a worship. If you teach a boy,
आवाज कट गई आपकी. अब्दुल्ला साहब आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी.
Are you
if you teach a
student or boy
Hmm.
Surah Al-Fatiha,
Yes.
or how to take ablution, or how to pray in mosque, etc.,
Hmm.
you will also get a reward from Allah.
Yes. Obviously.
My second point is reading the subject before teaching.
Very good.
You can teach an English book or English subject, Hindi subject, or Urdu subject without study in necessary class for children, or in also madrasa. But there is some subjects you can't teach without study.
There are some
Such as-
subjects, is nahi. There are some subjects.
Yeah. Thank you. But there are some subjects you can't teach without study, such as tafsir, hadith, fiqh. Necessary to you, or it is important for you, you know what is the right meaning of this ayah. It is also important for you, you know what is the meaning of this word in this hadith. It is very important for you, you know what says our big scholars of Islam, such as Ibn Abbas, Wafa, Ibn Qatada.
स्कॉलर्स के लिए ग्रेट स्कॉलर ज्यादा यूज होता है, बिग की जगह ग्रेट स्कॉलर्स, बिग किसी सामान वगैरह के लिए यूज होता है, ग्रेट स्कॉलर।
ग्रेट